Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Volvo XC90 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. Next, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and centered. This alignment is vital for proper reinstallation and maintaining your vehicle's steering geometry. Now, let's remove the airbag module. On the sides of the steering wheel, you'll find two small access holes. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole to release the spring clips holding the airbag in place. Once released, gently pull the airbag forward and disconnect the two electrical connectors on the back. Store the airbag safely, face up. With the airbag safely out of the way, we can now remove the steering wheel itself. You'll see a large central bolt. Use an 18mm socket to loosen and remove it. Before pulling the wheel off, make a small alignment mark on both the steering wheel and the shaft. This ensures correct positioning when you reassemble everything. Then, gently pull the wheel straight off. To reassemble, align your steering wheel with the marks you made earlier and slide it back onto the shaft. Tighten the central bolt to the manufacturer's specified torque. Reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors, then carefully push the airbag module back into place until the clips engage. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test all steering wheel controls and the horn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.